Hey guys, this is Luciano and this is Build a Career in Forex Trading. Now, if you want to be successful as a Forex trader, you should ensure that you master fundamental analysis. I repeat, if you want to be successful as a Forex trader, you should ensure that you master fundamental analysis. The banks trade using fundamental analysis, institutional traders trade using fundamental analysis. So if you want to be successful, fundamental analysis is something that you should ensure that you master. Majority of Forex traders do not understand fundamental analysis. They do not understand how to interpret economic data, how to use this economic data to trade the market. They don't understand sentiment, they don't understand risk aversion, risk appetite, and these are key things that you should understand if you wish to be a successful Forex trader. When you take this course, you will learn how to make money trading the news like an institutional trader. You learn how to predict the GDP results using correlation. You learn how to predict the CPI results, the durable goods results, and you'll get a broad understanding of interest rates, inflation, and the central banks and how they affect the market. You'll also learn how to use the retail sales, the PPI, PMI, and other fundamental announcements to improve your trading. We also discuss sentiment, risk aversion, risk appetite, and how these can impact your trading. You'll also learn the 5 major US fundamentals that you should focus on. After taking this course, you'll get a deep understanding of economic indicators and how professional traders use them to make money. So if you're interested in making money trading Forex, take this course.